Hello again, and let's go over our first module. So you have two assignments. One is a discussion and one is your first speech. So let's talk about both of them. The discussion is due July 23rd. That means your main post and your responses to your peers are due by noon. You need to make sure you're answering all 5 questions. Number them out. Number 1, you don't have to type out the question, but number 1. Number 2, each question must have a minimum of 6 sentences. So that means you will have 6 times 5 is 30. So that means you will have 30 sentences for this main post. And make sure you're using proper capitalization, punctuation. Don't compose it like a text message. And then you must respond to 2 of your peers with 4 to 6 sentences each. I will not count sentences such as "great post," "I agree," "I look forward to working with you," or watching your speeches. You cannot. I will not give credit for it. So let's say that if you have 4 sentences, but 3 of them are generic, you're going to be docked in the rubric. So I just want you guys to really be interacting with each other. So this is what your first assignment's going to be. So don't wait to the last minute, because you have to post this and then respond to your peers by noon Central Standard Time. So that is assignment 1. So let's come back out and look at assignment 2, introduction speech. I have to have your identity verified. So if you hold your ID up next to you in the camera shot, make sure that you cover up everything except your name and your face. If you would rather send me that in a picture, that in an email, that's fine with me, but I cannot grade this or anything else until you verify identity. So you will be uploading your speech to YouTube and posting it here. I don't really care how you get it in here. Some students upload it and embed it. Some people just post the link. I don't care if all you do is post the link just to get your speech here, however, but you have to make sure that you check the settings, and it cannot be a short. So you cannot do YouTube shorts. This doesn't work, not YouTube shorts. So regular YouTube video, make sure it is not set to private. Make sure you check the link after you do it. That will avoid a lot of problems too. So once you upload it, give it a few minutes, check it, make sure it works, and then post it. So you're going to read these questions here. I have to have you address the questions that relate to Western. That is a requirement. If you don't answer those, then I cannot give you full credit. If you are not planning to come here at Western, you can use the college catalog, and you can say it like, while I don't attend Western there full time, if I were, I would be a part of this, or I would think this would be neat. Something like that. So make sure you're standing up. I can see all of you. Show your audience. Make sure you're dressing for the occasion, and don't be nervous. You don't have anything to be nervous about. So you have to respond to 2 of your classmates as well. On this one, it's a minimum of 5 sentences per one. So, really make sure you're giving substantial answers. So you can read through this, and if you have any questions or concerns on any of it, just let me know, and we'll go from there.